Hello students, LFHP program of Kankavli College Kankavli. With that I am here, the assistant teacher Mahadeshwar MP. In the previous lecture we have completed passage 1, 1.1 and astrologer's day. Today we are going with passage 2. First of all, I will read this passage. It has the starting from he had left his village, and this passage is having the ending with page number 4 with the line forbidding exterior. I am sure that in front of you have the textbooks. He had left his village without any previous thought or plan. If he had continued there, he would have carried on the work of his forefathers, namely, tilling the land, living, marrying, and ripening in his cornfield and ancestral home. But that was not to be. He had to leave home without telling anyone, and he could not rest till he left it behind a couple of 100 miles. To a villager, it is a great deal, as if an ocean flowed between. He had a working analysis of mankind's troubles, marriage, money, and the tangles of human ties. Long practice had sharpened his perception. Within 5 minutes, he understood what was wrong. He charred 3 pies per question, never opened his mouth till the other had spoken for at least 10 minutes, which provided him enough stuff for a dozen answers and advices. When he told the person before him, gazing at his palm, in many ways you are not getting the fullest results for your efforts, 9 out of 10 were disposed to agree with him. Or he questioned, is there any woman in your family, maybe even a distant relative, who is not well disposed towards you? Or he gave an analysis of character. Most of your troubles are due to your nature. How can you be otherwise with Saturn where he is? You have an impetuous nature and a rough exterior. This endeared him to their hearts immediately, for even the mildest of us loves to think that he has a forbidding exterior. Before leading towards this passage, let me give you the recap of the first passage. In that we have completed astrologer. How did he begin, means at which time, that is midday, his professional equipment, personality traits of him, that part we have completed, variety of traits, occupations, the advantage which was collected by our astrologer because of them, then light element, that description we have completed. Also we have got the focus on the reality that he was just a fake astrologer. He was that much stranger towards stars, he didn't know anything about stars. And as like his clients didn't know, he was the same way. After that also, definitely he deserved whatever the wages at the end of the day he collected. This is the opinion of the author because there is one line mentioned in that ending of that passage that he has good study power, good practicing power, and toppest of that he had a shrewd guesswork. So because of that he deserved that wage. So in passage 2, what is there? By the reading of mine you could understand basically there are 3 factors. First one, the very opening and started with what was his plan, whether it was his plan to leave his place or not, that is mentioned over here. Reality of his life, what he wanted to be, and the reality, a position you will find here. That's the irony of the life. We are expecting too much from the life, but what we are getting at reality, that could be different. And suppose that element is there, obviously ironic comment. Already we have seen different and many examples of irony in my previous videos. Next to about the job, how much charge he was offering for per question, then in what manner he was having that session with his client, everything is mentioned here. So this is particular summary. So now I have told you the recap of passage 1. Also I have given you the highlighting area of the passage 2. So now we are going for line by line explanation with the activities too. Be ready for that. He had left his village without any previous thought or plan. So here that's very clear that he hadn't any kind of previous thought that to leave his particular place, or he hadn't fixed that plan before. If he had continued there, there means at his ancestral place, where at all his native place, he would have carried on the work of his forefathers. What kind of work he could do? They could ask you two types of activities here. That suppose he wouldn't have leave that particular place, what kind of life he had or he would live there. So you have to start to write from if and end up with what? Ancestral home. Or the same line they could ask you in different manner to get the answer. That is, yeah, we were dealing with what type of second activity they could ask you on the same line. That is web chat they could ask you. And what kind of web activity they could ask you, that is related to the work of his forefathers. So we'll deal with that. So first of all we will focus what's the answer of which activity, that suppose he wouldn't have lived that place, what kind of life he could live over there. So the answer would be like this: if he had continued there, or he wouldn't have lived that place, then he would have carried on the work of his forefathers. And what kind of job he has to do there? That tilling the land, living, marrying, and ripening in his cornfield and ancestral home. What is the way formatting of the same? That at the heart they could ask you work of his forefathers. At the heart the term would be, and the answer surrounded by it will be tilling the land, the first one, second one living, marrying, and ripening in his cornfield and ancestral home. That would be the probable answer. So let me tell you what's meant by tilling. Here it is. So till, at left corner you could get the meaning of it, that cultivating the particular land by tilling it. So here you could get two images at the right side. First one, that particular machine is over there, and by that way you can understand it is tilling the land. And also you would find the advanced machine related, that how to till the land within a hour or something, or less fraction of time. So by that way you could understand what's meant by tilling. Tilling the land, that is the first answer. Tilling means cultivating the land or preparing that particular land for the cultivation. So the very first answer of yours is what work of the forefathers he has to do, that is tilling the land. Second one, he has to live there, living. Third one, that is marrying. And the fourth one, ripening in where? Ripening in his cornfield. The image is or you can get it, and also towards his ancestral home. So you can get the image of ancestral home. It's just only one example. And here there is the meaning. will read that for you. Ancestral home. An ancestral home is the place of origin of one's extended family, particularly the home owned by and preserved by the same family for several generations. The term can refer to an individual house or estate or to a broader geographic area such as a town, a region of or an entire country. So this is the meaning of ancestral home. I hope that you have got the answer as well as the meanings of all the new words. Just now we have seen would be life of him. Means suppose he hadn't left his ancestral place, how would be his life that was? But you know that this is the life, and that's why in his life the same thing what was expected was not done. But that was not to be. By this line you could get the reality. He had to leave home without telling anyone, and he could not rest till he left it behind a couple of 100 miles. So by this line you could get particular kind of curiosity that why he has to leave his place in such a hurried way. What was the cause behind that? No doubt the answer is hidden, but we will resolve that later. To a villager, it is a great deal as if an ocean flowed between. Obviously, they would ask you the last line for explanation. To a villager, it is a great deal as if an ocean flowed between. So this particular line is having linkage with back lines that he had to leave. What was the force of the life on him? That he hadn't any plan to leave his ancestral home or that town or that village, but he has to leave that immediately. Even while departing that particular place, he can't communicate with his loved one, his relatives, and he couldn't have even rest. Means that much walking, that much running he had done. When he had crossed hundreds of miles, then he had stopped himself. So why such a kind of uh, thing or such a kind of condition he has to face? I think such a kind of condition had some kind of crucial reason. And for any villager, suppose you are facing such a kind of condition, definitely you will say that as if a long ocean flowed between. So obviously that is the reality of life. Ocean flowed between means what? You have means no doubt only 100 miles on the paper or on the map, but you know that a kind of exertion that you have to do means you have to leave everything of your close to your heart and departing from that place to somewhere else or to the unknown strange place. So obviously two different zones you have to face. Means you are leaving your loved one and you are joining the new zone. So is it not crossing too much distance? And hence it is called if an ocean flowed between. So do you understand the very first para? Here we have completed no planning of living, then would be life. Suppose he hadn't taken that decision, and but opposite to that reality was there that he had to do that, and he had not any kind of rest till today. Here you could get now onwards the job method of him. He had a working analysis of mankind's troubles. So here there are three mentioning, mankind's trouble. Which are they? Marriage, money, and the tangles of human ties. So human ties means relationship. We are having knots, ties, bonds with our loved one, our friends, with our life, with our career, and so many things. And where there are such a kind of knots, bonds, obviously tangles will be there. And where there is such a kind of thing, marriage, money, and the tangles of human lives, the no doubt how much pleasant they seems, you have to face the trouble which are hidden inside. This is the life. Long practice had sharpened his perception. So he had a good working analysis of all these troubles. Previously we have seen that whatever he talked to his clients, just they pleased and astonished by that talking. Why? Because he was having good study, good practicing, and good shrewd work, guesswork. So he was having good judgment at his heart. Also, he had working analysis of mankind's troubles. What kind of trouble one man can have? One of these mentioned, not beyond that, because all of we have the same lifespan. Though our lives are different, in now or then, or in this respect or that, the troubles could be same. So he had also sharpened his perception by the long practice. So such a kind of sentences they could ask you for fill in the blanks or complete the line. For example, dot dot had sharpened his dot dot. Anyone they could ask you for the completion, or mention the mankind's troubles A, B, C. Then you have to fill up that. So what is meant by perception? Here at the left bottom you would get the meaning of it, the ability to notice or understand something. Or another meaning is there, that point of view or attitude of view. Here mentioning is that a particular way of looking at or understanding something. This is a particular kind of opinion. What kind of judgment of yours towards any kind of received fact. So that's called perception. So because of the long practice, he had sharpened his perception. And what's the result of such a kind of thing? Within 5 minutes he could tell what is the resolution to the problem of the next person. So definitely one activity is ready to you, and I think that is printed in textbook too. They have asked itself at the right side of the same portion. Here I have cut down that, just only I focus on the para, because already it is mentioned in your textbook. What is that activity? The astrologer could understand the problem in 5 minutes. How? Whatever just now I mentioned, that could be the answer. He charged 3 paisa or pies. Here not paisa, but sorry. He charged 3 pies per question. So here you are getting the image of pie. And now we are using rupee the currency and different formations. But in olden days, such a kind of pies were used. Today's pies are different. From 1 rupee we are getting, before that 25 pies or 50 pies were there. It was in olden days it was starting from 1 pie and below also. So that was currency used at that era or that time. So you were charging 3 pies for each question. So here you are getting the analysis of pi, what's meant by pi, and you are getting the image. So here you are getting, shall I? A pi, abbreviated as PS, was a unit of currency in India, Burma and Pakistan until 1947. It was the smallest currency unit, equal to 1/3 of a paisa, 1/12 of an anna, or 1/192 of a rupee. During mid 19th century, 1 pi was worth 12 kauri. So that was the particular currency. And at right side you are getting 4 pies and 1 pies at British era. What kind of pies were used, that is mentioned over here. So the next part, we are dealing with the next part. It's very simple passage, that's why today we are going in a hurry. Yesterday in very depth manner I have to deal with, but today it's very easy, you can easily deal with that. So now charge is over, what kind of charges he was asking for, and see the method, what's the policy to collect the info itself from the client. Client didn't know the fact that they themselves are providing the good material through their talking. And to collect that, for continuously 10 minutes he was keeping mum, he was not talking anything. Let the customer talk, and by that way collect the info. This is the next line. I will read that actual line, but explain just now. Never open his mouth till other had spoken for at least 10 minutes, which provided him enough stuff. Stuff, here we have to collect the word from that, that is material or information, for a dozen answers and advices. So obviously client has given the info. So just now his role is what? Just offer dozens of answers and advices to them. Now, suppose they will ask you what is the methodology or procedure. Explain the procedure of his questioning session, or his how did he give that such a kind of session. Mention that session procedure. Then definitely from the next one, means from charging to the last line of the same passage, you have to write. There are three segments you will find out. First word is there, that is he was telling them. What's that? In many ways. So when he told, so telling is the first factor. Or the second one is, that is questioning. He asked that particular question. Or the third policy of him was what? That he was started to describe or giving the analysis of the next person's character. So by these three key factors or key arrows, he was dealing with that particular client. And the result of that is what? Each and every client, even mildest of them, started to feel that yes, how much this particular man is having forbidding exterior. I mean, yes, obviously he is the greatest of the astrologer, and astrologer's personality should be how difficult to understand. How much you are a mystic person, definitely you are influential. Such a kind of air he is creating around him. So shall I go for the line by line explanation? I just mentioned the fact or the particular summarization of it, but now I have to go for depth. When he told the person before him, gazing at his palm, gazing means staring. He is having the palm of his client in his hand, and he is just having staring towards that, and telling, in many ways you are not getting the fullest results for your efforts. Obviously, suppose I am having such a kind of statement from astrologer or anyone. Yes, the means he is offering sympathy towards me. Na? That statement is favorable to my efforts. So obviously, what's the result? 9 out of 10 clients are disposed. At left top corner, you will get the disposed meaning. Again, repetition is there, disposed. That's why I have given this meaning here. Dispose means incline or willing. Yes, we are eager to accept that fact. Yes, I am doing all the things. After that also I am not collecting the good amount of benefit of my efforts. So 9 out of the 10 clients are really very happy to have such a kind of comment or telling from the astrologer. That's why they are becoming endeared to him. This is one of the causes. Second cause was what? He started to ask the question. What kind of question? Is there any woman in your family, maybe even a distant relative, who is not well disposed? Again, disposed is the word towards you. That means she is not having a good relationship with your family, or in your family. Suppose any kind of woman is there, or in among your relatives, if there is any woman who is not having good willing to you, means not having good relationship with your family, then definitely our answer will be yes. This is human tendency. We were judging that, and hence commenting the same. And the third policy he was using, that he gave an analysis of the character. Most of your troubles are due to your nature. He started to comment like that. And what kind of nature? He mentioned what? Impetuous and rough exterior. Coming back to, but there is one line. How can you be otherwise with Saturn where he is? You know that Saturn is one planet. In the planet is responsible for our trouble. In astrology, this is the belief that Saturn, the planet, is responsible for our trouble. And that's why he also mentioned like that, because of your nature, you are accompanied with Saturn, means yes, you are in great trouble. You have an impetuous nature and a rough exterior. At the left corner, they themselves again, the textbook itself had given you the meaning of impetuous. That means impulsive. Impulse means, already we have seen this word impulsive last year. Again, I am repeating. Impulses means flows, currents of emotions at our heart, at our mind going on. And some people are there who are behaving as per their flows or emotions. Generally, we are controlling, but some are very emotional, impulsive. They are, suppose any person comes towards them and ask them their help, that without thinking anything they started to help them. So here he mentioned that because of your such a kind of emotion, impulsive nature, they are taking uh, good advantage of that, but you are in trouble. And also a rough experience means you are not controlling yourself. Each and everybody is coming to you and yes, you are offering. Suppose you imagine, suppose you are on the place of this client of this an astrologer. What would be your reaction? He said that everything is at favor of you. He said that what, you are the effort taking person, but you are not getting benefit. Somebody else is giving trouble to you, and you are very emotional, very eager to help the next person, but next person is giving trouble to you, and the factor is Saturn planet. So suppose you are having such a kind of favorable statement to please our ego, then definitely we are having endearness to him. This endeared him to their hearts immediately, for even the mildest of us loves to think that he has a forbidding exterior. And we started to feel that what a great astrologer he is. And his clients also they started to feel the same one, that astrologer is having a prophetic light. So do you understand the whole passage? This is very simple passage. Now we are going for the activities section. As I mentioned in my last passage once video, that here I attach to complete the whole video at summing level, attach the activities, but definitely at our WhatsApp group I will send that, and you have to complete them at your notebook. Here whatever we discussed, the same is mentioned over here. Just only I attached the vocabulary part, which is very easy, and the grammar part, which was already dealt by us at last year. Even though suppose you have any problem related grammar, vocabulary or any other activity, you can ask me that through our WhatsApp group. I am very ready enough to offer you the answer of that. Or if you want good clarification of that particular point at our WhatsApp group, definitely I will give you that particular answer. So definitely I am coming with the next passage very soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye students.